Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You already have the right hardware and drivers. Now begin. Open GeForce Experience, confirm the latest game-ready driver is installed, then launch your game. Once in the game, go to Graphics or Performance Settings, find the Nvidia Dlss option, and set it from off to quality mode as a starting point. Make sure to keep native resolution in mind. Choose quality to preserve clarity versus performance if you need higher FPS. These first changes unlock DLSS upscaling immediately. Once DLSS is enabled, tune it for your goals. Test each DLSS preset, quality, balanced, performance, and ultra performance, while watching frame rates and visual fidelity. If you need more frames, lower render scale or pick performance. If clarity matters, stick with quality. Make incremental changes, run a benchmark run or a consistent gameplay scene, and note differences. Also, combine DLSS with ray tracing cautiously. Turning on both can shift the balance between image quality and throughput. Finalize settings by locking your target frame rate with a limiter or VSync, then replay a typical scene to confirm stability. If you see shimmering, ghosting, or stutter, first toggle DLSS modes, then update or roll back your Nvidia driver. Driver mismatches often cause artifacts. If problems persist, reset in-game settings or apply the game's latest patch. For persistent visual glitches, switch to native resolution and disable DLSS to isolate the issue. This single troubleshooting step tells you if DLSS is the culprit.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.